Welcome back. When I came into this role, I shared with the CII staff some leadership principles that I consider essential, including serving well, listening well, and staying humble. And I'm reminded of these attributes as we announce CII awards to individuals who have volunteered well, they've served well, and they've been passionate, dedicated, and humble in their efforts. Many organizations like CII rely heavily on volunteers and could not fully function without them. In many respects, our volunteers exemplify and share a common trait, that is, unselfishness. And while it may seem natural to appreciate being valued, what we find is that a lot of the volunteers who serve well typically do not expect recognition for their efforts. Even so, here at our annual conference, we want to recognize our very important CII Outstanding Service Award winners. That first person that I'll recognize is CII's Outstanding Volunteer. This award is about a member's key contributions to a CII initiative and demonstrated commitment to CII's mission. It's my pleasure to announce that our Outstanding Volunteer Award goes to Dario Rigaud with Fluor. Dario has been a key player in the AWP Community for Business Advancement and the joint working group that updated AWP data requirements. In addition, Dario is currently serving on CII's Research Team 391 about defining opportunities to leverage artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics applications for AWP. On this research team, Dario will be able to continue leveraging his expertise and experience with AWP data requirements for the industry's advancement. We're fortunate to have Dario on that team, and we appreciate all that he does for CII. Thank you, Dario, and please stand so we can all thank you. Our next recognition this morning is for the outstanding academic. Each year, CII celebrates an academic whose important contributions have had an innovative and effective impact on CII's efforts. This year, CII is pleased to present the Outstanding Academic Award to Dr. Awad Hanna with the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Unfortunately, he could not join us here in Cleveland, but let me tell you just a bit about him. Dr. Hanna has been a principal investigator on 7 major CII research projects, and he says that he intends to continue his involvement with CII so that number may increase. Dr. Hanna also serves as the academic advisor to the Downstream and Chemicals Sector Committee. In 2006, he received CII's Outstanding Researcher Award for his work on risk allocation and the Best Presentation Award for the work of RT 334. Please join me in wishing Dr. Hanna our sincere gratitude for his contributions to CII's efforts. Dr. Hanna was not able to join us this morning, but we look forward to providing that award to him. And our final service award acknowledges an outstanding student. Where would we be without the students who are part of the activities that we're involved in research in particular? This award recognizes a student's important contribution to a CII initiative that has the potential to significantly improve the construction industry. The recipient of this award has had an eventful year. In the spring, he earned his PhD from UT Austin, and shortly after, he accepted a position with the University of Colorado, Denver. Today, we are honored to recognize Dr. Bing Han with the Outstanding Student Award. Stand and let's recognize you, Bing. Thank you. Bing has served as a graduate student assistant on various CII initiatives. His contributions have covered everything from data collection and analysis to interpretation and development. Without his efforts taking charge on key components, teams would not have produced such positive results so quickly. Certainly, a big thanks to Dario. Let's give him another hand. Thank you, thank you. And a big thanks to Bing, both here today. Thank you.